To thank you for taking your time to watch this video, which is about the most recent project that I did, and it happens to be my personal portfolio website. Currently, I'm looking for a job. Instead of just sending out resumes and cover letters, I think it's a better way to present myself and my professional skills in a more tangible way. First, I analyze the potential visitors. For people who don't have technical background, I want this website is well designed in the intuitive way. And I also need to ensure the website is coded professionally to demonstrate my skills. Next, I would like to demo my portfolio website. I provide in-depth detail about myself, including summary, skill set, project that I have been involved with, professional experience, education background, something extra about myself. If somebody is interested in me, he can drop me a message, and an email will be automatically sent to my email. And I also designed this website to be responsive. So people can view my website on different devices. This is the tech stack that I used. Backend, Node and Express. Frontend, React, jQuery, CSS preprocessor, and I deploy the website on Heroku. There are several design choices that I have to make. First, I chose Node and React over simple HTML because React can provide a more modular and more maintainable framework. This is an example. This is someone else's website. It's pretty cool, well designed. However, if you check its source code, everything is kind of mashed together because everything is packed into one single HTML file. But if you check my source code, everything is pretty clean, and it's very easy to check each page component in source directly. The second thing I was considering was whether I should use Redux. This is a demo of multiplayer games that I had built before. There are so many state changes in both server and local clients that it is almost impossible to manage changes without Redux. But the portfolio website, there isn't much state changes. It would be extra work without gaining any benefits if I use Redux. Third, which tool should I use to deploy? I chose Heroku because it is a more economic choice for individual side project. Before presenting some code I wrote, I would like to introduce the code structure. First, we have basic configuration files for Webpack and Babel. With these development tools, a bundle.js file will be generated with all the component files, and server.js will be running on backend to serve the static files. This is the source code for the app component, and this is the example of one of the page components. This is not a difficult project. The major tech issue was that I used a lot of open source jQuery libraries. However, it works differently between basic HTML and React. It will take some time for React to generate the DOM node, especially when I used a lot of pictures to make the website look nice. So there were several times it tries to run jQuery code while the node isn't ready yet. I used a solution like this: wrap the time-sensitive code in the $window on load. It means that the jQuery code will not run until the node is ready. Another thing I found, which is good for performance enhancement, is resizing all the pictures to make size uniform and small. At the end, I would like to present the work styles I value. Thank you very much.